Good morning, guys. I just dropped my daughter at school right there, and I'm now going back home. But I want to share with you the state of our roads here, the struggles we go in every day whenever it rains. This is our roads, guys. This is the state of our roads. Let me pass here. Guys, I'm coming to you live from my village, Busia town here in Kenya, Africa. I saw it well that I share with you the struggles that we go in whenever it rains. Look at this, guys. And I'm living very close to the highway. That's the highway, and this is the road going to my home. But look at it. Poor state of infrastructure. Poor state of roads. Look at this, guys. This is my road, guys. Deep inside my village, Busia, Kenya. The struggle we go in every single day whenever it rains. Okay? This is it. And we have leaders in office. They're enjoying morning tea after being dropped in their offices. Expensive SUVs, 4x4. They don't experience such kind of environment. But for me and my daughter, this is the road now. And see where I'm passing. In someone's shamba. State of the road. It's not getting better. The more you go, the worse it becomes. Guys, when you get to this area, you have to balance like a magician. Here, you have to balance, or else you fall. You balance with one leg. Kind of struggle at this now. So guys, here in Kenya, we have two systems of government. We have the national government and the counties. So in the counties, the roads are devolved. The governor should work on these roads. Okay? It's the work of the governor. Ooh. The daily struggles here in my village, guys. It's what we go through. If you look in front of me here, you can see there's a woman taking her son to school also. So she has to carry her. See that? She has to carry her on her back. Or else it will be disastrous. Look at that. To walk very carefully and balance too. Look. Aye. The state of the road in my village here in Kenya, Busia, Kenya, Africa. Whenever it rains, and guys, we're expecting an El Nino rains from next month, that's October, all the way to December. El Nino is visiting Kenya. Tricky situation, very tricky. That woman carrying her kid on the back. Guys, I'm finally home. Thank you for watching my channel. God bless you.